Gamers, listen up! The ultimate retro handheld console is here, and it's packing a serious punch at an unbeatable price. Let's dive in! This is the R36S retro handheld game console, a sleek, compact powerhouse loaded with 128 gigabytes of storage and over 10,000 classic games right out of the box. Designed for nostalgia lovers and modern gamers alike, it's exactly what you need to relive those arcade memories or discover old-school hits for the first time. You get a vibrant 3.5-inch IPS display, super responsive buttons, and a smooth Linux-based operating system that makes finding and playing your favorite games a breeze. Whether you're into arcade cabinets, classic consoles, or handheld legends, it's all here, ready to go. What really sells it? It's pocket-sized and lightweight, meaning you can bring your games on commutes, vacations, or just chill at home with a quick fix of retro fun. The battery life holds up for marathon sessions, and the minimalist design just looks clean. Seriously, this makes an awesome gift for anyone who loves gaming. But here's the kicker. It's now just 4,114 yen, down from 15,238 yen. That's a massive 73% discount. Deals like this don't last, so if you've been on the fence, now's the time to jump in. So grab your R36S console using the link below and take your gaming anywhere, anytime. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gadget reviews and epic finds.